So you're thinking of moving to Austin, Texas and want to live near a golf course. Well, you're in luck. Today we're out at the Riverplace community and I'm going to show you all around the neighborhood. I'm going to also show you 3 price points of homes and kind of what you can expect out in this neighborhood. Let's get after it. If this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Austin, Texas, then subscribe below and tap the notifications bell so you can get updated on the current market in Austin, Texas. Hi, this is Nicole Cooper and my team and I get calls from people just like you wanting help moving to Austin, Texas. So whether you're ready to move in 9 or 90 days, we're here to help you. Just give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email anytime. Our information is down below. We love helping people like you make a smooth transition to Austin, Texas. Now, let's get after that Riverplace community. All right, so we're starting off at the Riverplace Country Club. I'm going to give you a few details about the neighborhood and then we're off to our first property. So first of all, by and large, this area is a non-gated community. There are some small pockets that are gated, but for the most part, it is not. The average size of the homes in here are around 3,400 square feet, and the lot sizes are about 1/3 of an acre on average. The price points, the closing price or average is $1,250,000. Now this neighborhood is known for big views. As you can see back there, hiking trails, good schools, a family community. And did I mention the big views? All right guys, let's get after it. We're at our first property in Riverplace. And this property here is a 1-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, about 2,300 square feet and built in the mid-90s, 1996 to be exact. And it's listed for $670,000. That's this beauty right across the street here. Nice brick facade, multiple roof lines. It's really high quality construction out here. You won't find too much just hardy plank. You'll find all sides brick or all sides limestone, as you can see behind me here. And the main things that separate the price points in this community, other than size and condition, are the views. You'll see what I mean as we go from property to property today, but one of the main streets through here is called Big Sky View, and it's called that for a reason. So we'll show you some views, we'll take you down to the lake and give you a good dose of what it's like to be in the Riverplace community. Let's keep going. So I'm going to come show you to a little scenic part. We've got a little bench here. And then if we look out here, in the distance, the white building, that's the country club house. And then the green grass, anyway, that's the golf course. And you can see all the rolling hills out here. And that is what Riverplace community is known for. And it's good schools and family environment and community sense of living, but you get the idea. And we're at our next property. And one thing I wanted to say about the Riverplace community, it's mostly a 1990s construction. Not too many new builds unless, you know, there's been some reason for a complete tear down. Doesn't happen much in this neighborhood. Mostly it's to what extent they've been remodeled. So, you know, you might have a house that looks exactly the same on the outside, but they might be $300,000 difference in price point in one of them because it's left like it kind of in its original form, or it's been updated to today's trends. So the one we're about to see here, it's a 1-story. right back here up on the hill. It's a one-story, it's 2825 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it is listed for $930,000. It was built in 1992. You can see it has had some updates. The windows look to be new, and that's one of the things you just have to keep a lookout for in this neighborhood. Sometimes you can find a lot of value if you're willing to put in the old sweat equity. If not, if you want something on trend, you're gonna be paying a higher dollar per square foot. So there's a large range of price per square foot in the community due to the condition or how much it's been remodeled or not. All right, let's carry on to that third property. And here we are to the next little scenic overlook. Another view of the golf course out there in the distance, and a bit better look from over here. It's right out there. And now we have a perfect example of that remodeled look. We're coming up on a home here that has been completely remodeled, and it's listed for $1,900,000. So that shows you the difference. Now, it is a little bit bigger. It's 4,300 square feet. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, but it was built in 1995. So look there, you can tell they've put in all new windows and gone to great lengths to update it to the hilt. It's also on a cul-de-sac, which makes its value a little higher as well. But that's our third property, and this is going to be kind of at the top of the price range, unless, of course, you're down there on those waterfront lots. And then everything changes. Everyone loves the water, and they're willing to pay for it in this town. And they're paying a lot to have waterfront. As one of the mini parks in the Riverplace area, we're over here at the Woodlands. They've got tennis courts, a playground for the kids. They've got little picnic areas. They've got this cute little soccer pitch for the kids where they can practice their kicking and shooting goals. And there's lots of little benches and things to relax and have picnics under here. And I'm gonna walk you across the street to the boardwalk around this small pond. It is not Lake Austin, it's just a small kind of man-made area. So I'll show you when we get over there. And here's the entry to the boardwalk. You can see this little pond area. And I'll just take you in just briefly to show you kind of how it starts over here. All right, so if you're moving here from somewhere up north, this is a real thing. We do have snakes you need to take care. Nothing to be overly concerned about, you just need to be aware. And here is what you can find on the trail. Here's how far it goes, kind of where you go. It's a heck of a hike, great hike though. And it starts out on that cute little boardwalk path over there and then goes uphill. homes here all run along Lake Austin in the backyard. I hope you've enjoyed our tour of the Riverplace community today, and if this looks like something that might be a good fit for you and your family, we'd love to help you find a home here. Just let us know. We'd love to have a text, email, or a call. We're available all the time, and until next time, we'll see you around town.